First step in this question is to figure out the coordinates of the center of the circle and the radius, and we'll do that by completing the square and putting it in the standard circle equation format. So x plus 2 squared minus 4, this is how I do all of these, y minus 3 squared minus 9. Make sure you understand what this is, where it comes from, why it's done this way. So if we collect the numbers, moves to the other side, becomes 4 squared. Now the coordinates of the center are minus 2, 3, and the radius is 4. So now we can roughly kind of draw this circle out in the xy plane. Center minus 2. It doesn't have to be very pretty. So that's the center, and then the radius is 4, so it's going to look something like that, something like this. And here I will not be finding the equation of this locus here. It's a straight line, but instead what I'll do is to draw this line x equal to 6 and consider the case of the tangent lines that have this property. So let's say this is one tangent line, this is the other one. The condition is that this angle is 60, and that point of intersection, I'll say, is 6 comma y. So I'm just considering that particular point where they want us to find out the y coordinate. Now we know that these lines are tangents. If I connect them to the center, that's 90 degrees. Same here, that's 90 degrees, and I can draw this. So we have these two triangles. This is radius, that's radius. They share this side, and by Pythagorean theorem, the other side also has to be equal. So that means these are congruent triangles that are exactly identical. That means this 60-degree angle splits into 30 and 30. So we have two 30, 60, 90 triangles. That's 60. Now we know the side that's opposite the shortest, that's 30. That means that the hypotenuse would be double that, 8, and this length would be 4 root 3. Now note, we know the coordinates of the center. They're minus 2, 3. So if you notice here, the distance from the center of the circle to that point that intersects x equal to 6 and satisfies this condition, that distance is 8. So I can use the distance formula to find the coordinates of point y. So the way this will look is difference of the x coordinate squared plus difference in the y coordinate squared, and that has to be equal to 8 squared. You'll notice this is just exactly 8 squared. These drop out. That means y must be equal to 3. So now I do have the coordinates, which are 6 comma 3. Answer choice D.